Welcome to the third part of our Asset Intelligence video series. Today we're going to talk about the Obzervr connected field worker platform. So let's go out in the plant and see where we've been able to use the Obzervr platform.
Before Obzervr, our asset and maintenance teams are dealing with paper forms, delays and duplication in data entry, and inconsistent, inaccurate reporting. Implementing Obzervr has changed the way that our teams work. It's given them a single mobile platform, enabling them to capture data accurately and consistently, even without connectivity. This makes it so much easier for the data to go from the plant floor to the team leaders, managers, shift leaders to analyse and make better decisions. With Obzervr, our asset and maintenance teams have cut down on admin tasks, improved data capture and compliance, and has given them visibility to our end-to-end operations.
So Obzervr is a digital platform that we're using here at CPCM, and it's taking us from paper-based to iPad.
We're not the first to have rolled out this technology. It first came out at the MCL, collecting the data by using iPads in our normal line walks at the moment, and we'll be continuing to roll that out onto specific jobs where we get quality data that we need to feed back into SAP, our operating system, so we can determine when to do major changes with our maintenance tasks.
You can have like a traffic light system, so red, green, yellow. Anything that they can see that's wrong, they can flag it straight away. You can get an email sent to the coordinator or a text message sent to the coordinator. My role is to actually work with the tradespeople, work with the coordinators to make sure that it is something that's really easy for them to use.
The positive things about Obzervr has been that most people already have digital technology in their pocket, and by using Obzervr and using iPads and iPhones to collect data, it's been very easy for people to adapt to the new technology.
Start of the week on Monday morning, I come into work. These are the weekly work orders for this week. So I'll release all these work orders in SAP. Those work orders then transfer across to Obzervr, and these jobs will appear here for the week. So then I just highlight these jobs, and then I assign them to the end user, who's my fitter, who is the one out there on the field with the iPad doing the inspection. So here we are inspecting the coal car area. First part of the check is checking for oil leaks. We don't find any oil leaks. We've put condition satisfactory, small leak, or the other option is requires urgent attention. What we can also do is we have an option. We can take a photo of where the oil leak is. That will link back into the inspection, so then the coordinator can see where the leak is coming from. Once the inspections are done, you can see here which jobs have been completed, which jobs are still in progress, but more importantly for me are these flags that appear here. So when the fitter out there finds a defect, she'll write a little comment in there, and for me to quit this, to close this work order now, I have to open up that flag, and as you can see there, both carryover rolls are a bit worn, and then I have to write an exception comment, whether they're okay to continue, usually continue to monitor. Carryover rolls are bad, I'll immediately make a work order, and then I can resolve the exception. And that'll get rid of that flag, and then I can finalise and close that work order. Once all the jobs are done, you can see here one here is completed. I can go change status to finalise. Then I go back into SAP at the end of the week, and I can highlight all these jobs that I know have been done in Obzervr, and then I techo all the jobs.
We're seeing an increased efficiency with better data insights and a level of transparency we have never had before in actual near real time. Planners benefit from a minimised delay and easy document review process, giving them the edge to react to decisions much faster, and that decision making can actually be executed ahead of time. Smart search function, quick access to past inspections, effortless archiving,